Hi there guys, this is LRC38 Leather Protection Spray. Does exactly what it says on the bottle. Spray it onto the leather, gives you a completely waterproof, sort of like stain resistant protective coating on here. 3 to 6 months, possibly 12 months, depending on how you apply it and how clean your leather is. Obviously, to apply this, you need to clean your leather first of all. If it's pigmented like this particular car seat is, clean with LRC1 leather cleaner. If it's aniline cleaner, clean with your LRC7 aniline leather cleaner. Make sure it's all fully deep clean, make sure it's all completely dry before applying. With this particular product, again, this has like a little gadget at the top here. Just open that up, so it'll come locked like so. Drop it round so that this is sprayable. Spray onto your pad like so, and then you're just going to wipe this into the surface. Just wipe in a circular motion like so. You don't want to over apply, because the last thing you want to do is to put on stacks of this stuff, because you don't want it to go shiny on the surface. Gently massage in every direction possible. A bit similar to applying a ceramic coating is LRC38. Just simply wipe in different directions. You would only need to put on like 2 coatings maximum onto the leather, like so. Just simply wipe over. You can speed up the second coating with a hairdryer if you wanted to with LRC38, but just wipe on like so, and then just simply allow to dry. Do not over apply, don't go putting on stacks of coatings. It's not going to do you any benefit whatsoever. In fact, all it's going to do is to make your leather really shiny, which is what you don't want to do. You want to keep it nice and natural, but just simply apply on like so and massage in, rubbing in every direction possible, a bit like a ceramic coating, because this is going to form a coating on the surface and it's going to stop all dirt, stains and grease and grime bonding to your leather. So that is LRC38 Leather Protection Spray. Buy some from the website today.